Sure. Actually, BitcoinDeFi is a newly launched. We are very young, promoting our own coin called BTCDEFI. It's currently trading on a couple of exchanges like PancakeSwap and BitcoinDeFi. We are aiming to promote our coin and also attract investors, of course, for the future growth and adding value to the organization. Actually, we are based in Dubai, Silicon Oasis. Yeah, so we are here. We are very happy to be a part of the city, which are really leading into blockchain and DeFi, fintech technology. It's really it's really amazing to be part of this city, which is leading in the region, to be honest. I was very happy with the experience. Actually, I really missed it as a person to be a part of the live seminars and conference. We really missed it for the last year and more actually. And it was very, very good to be back to this kind of environment and ambience, to see people, to see the new opportunities, to see that nothing can stop humans to explore more, to invent more, and to do more. And it was very happy that we had Work Blockchain Summit again this year. I was very happy, very, very happy. And thanks to all organizers, it was an amazing event, an amazing.